Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the revision part of your first form, and that is risk, written by Janet Rand. So within 50 minutes I will just give you a summary. I will give you a brief sketch of this form and known as risk, composed by Janet Rand. So what is the story of this poem? Through this poem, the poet Janet Rand wants to tell us the importance of risk. He wants to expose the fact that every activity which is done by humans is associated with risk. It means हम लाइफ में जो भी काम करते हैं वो किससे भरा हुआ है? रिस्क है. बट देर आर अ नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स who do not want to take risk. कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहते because they are afraid of taking risk. They think they might be failed. उन्हें लगता है रिस्क लेने के बाद वो फेल हो जाएंगे. But these kind of people often lose their freedom. ऐसे लोग क्या खो देते हैं? अपनी फ्रीडम को खो देते हैं. Now we come to poem. First 3 or 4 lines, then I will tell you the meaning of these lines. To laugh is to risk appearing the fool. To weep is to risk appearing sentimental. To reach out for another is to risk involvement. To expose our feelings is to risk exposing your true self. To place ideas and dreams before a crowd is to risk being called naive. The poet Janet Rand is saying that every activity which is done by the humans is a part of risk. For example, the poet says that if we laugh, we will be called a fool. If we weep all the time, we will be called with the name of, we will be called sentimental or emotional. To reach out means to come out for someone's support or someone's help. If you come forward to help someone, there will be risk. What kind of risk? Risk of self-involvement. What is involvement? Self-interest. Having self-interest. यानी अगर आप किसी को सपोर्ट करते हो, किसी की मदद करते हो, तो लोगों को मन में एक आइडिया आएगा, देयर इज योर ओन इंटरेस्ट. आपका खुद का इंटरेस्ट है, देयर योर ओन एडवांटेज, आपका खुद का फायदा है. टू एक्सपोज फीलिंग्स टू रिस्क एक्सपोजिंग योर ट्रू सेल्फ. इफ यू एक्सपोज, if you reveal your feelings towards others, it means you are exposing your true self. अगर अपनी feelings को किसी को expose कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब आप अपने true self को, you are exposing your reality, आप अपनी सच्चाई को expose कर रहे हैं. To place ideas and dream before crowd. If you tell your dreams and ideas to crowd or people, अगर आप लोगों को अपने ड्रीम्स के बारे में बताते हो, your ideas, अपने आइडियाज़ के बारे में बताते हो, there will be another risk of being naive. Naive means inexperienced. अगर अपने ड्रीम्स के बारे में लोगों को बताते हो आप, तो यू विल बी कॉल्ड naive. Naive means inexperienced. To love is to risk not being loved in return. If you love someone, it is not compulsory that you will get love in return also. To live is to risk dying. There is risk of dying in living. To hope is to risk despair. Despair means disappointment. In Hindi, this is known as nirasha. Similar word is hopelessness. Despair, similar. Despair. If we hope, sometimes we hope, what? We become despair, we become disappointed or hopeless. To try is to risk failure. Sometimes we give our best, we try, but we get only failure. कई बार हम कोशिश तो करते हैं पर हमें विफलता ही हाथ लगती है. But risk must be taken. According to poet, we should always be ready to take risk because the greatest hazard. Do you know what is the meaning of hazard? Hazard means risk. Because the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. According to poet, every activity is indulged with risk. Suppose if we are laughing, people will call us fool. If we weep all the time, we will be known as the name of sentimental. If we help other, if we reach out for other, there will be self-involvement. If we expose our feelings towards others, it means we are exposing our true self. If we are placing our dreams and ideas towards others, it means we will be called naive. Naive means anadi. There is risk in every activity of life, but according to poet, we should always be ready to take risk, because the greatest hazard means risk, because the greatest risk in life is to risk nothing. कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना ही लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क है. The persons who risk nothing, does nothing, has nothing, is nothing and becomes nothing. According to poet, the persons who do not take any risk, वो लोग जो कोई रिस्क नहीं लेते हैं, they cannot do anything in life. They do not have anything, has nothing, is nothing and becomes nothing. They may avoid suffering and sorrow. What is the meaning of sorrow? Like sadness or grief. They may avoid suffering and sorrow, but they cannot learn, feel, change, grow, love and live. According to poet, there are some persons who do not want to take any risk. The poet says that by not taking risk, we may avoid suffering and sorrow only for short period of time, but we cannot love, grow, live, feel and change. पोइट ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो लोग रिस्क नहीं लेते हैं वो कुछ समय के लिए तो अपने दुखों से, सफरिंग से, सोरो से बच तो सकते हैं, बट इन देयर एंटायर लाइफ, अपनी पूरी लाइफ में दे कैन नेवर लर्न, फील, चेंज, ग्रो, लव एटसेट्रा. चेंड बाय देयर सर्टिट्यूड. चेंड मीन्स बाउंड यानी बंधे हुए हैं वो. चेंड बाय देयर सर्टिट्यूड. Certitude means a feeling of certainty. What is certitude? A feeling of surety, a feeling of certainty. They are like slaves. Poet ये कहना चाहते हैं जो लोग रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहते, चेंड, वो किससे बाउंड है, वो किससे बंधे हुए हैं? बाय देयर सर्टिट्यूड. व्हाट इज सर्टिट्यूड? अ फीलिंग ऑफ सर्टेनिटी. इट मीन्स दे. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन? चेंड बाय देयर सर्टिट्यूड. हियर द पोएट wants to convey a message that the people who do not want to take any risk, they are bound, they are chained. With certitude means they want to live an easy life, they want to lead a comfortable life without any risk, because they are afraid in taking risk. उन्हें रिस्क लेने से क्या है? डर लगता है. तो वो एक तरह से सर्टेन है, दे आर श्योर, वो अपने आप में श्योर है that we do not want to take any risk, हमें कोई रिस्क नहीं लेनी है, because they want to lead a comfortable and easy going life. But what does poet say? The people who do not take any risk, they are like slaves. वो बिल्कुल slaves की तरह हैं. Slaves means the people who lose their freedom. Slaves means the people who lose their freedom. They have forfeited. Dear students, here forfeit. Forfeit is verbs third form here. What is forfeit? Lose. It means forfeited third form and third form lost also. Lost and forfeited both are similar. They have forfeited their freedom. They lose their freedom. Only a person who risks is truly free. According to poet, the people who do not take any risk, in this way they may avoid suffering and sorrow. They may avoid suffering and sorrow, but they cannot learn, feel, change and grow, as they are chained with certitude. It means, what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this phrase, chained by their certitude? It means they are bound. Certitude means a feeling of certainty, a feeling of surety. ये लाइन ये शो करता है. What is the meaning of this line? बोर्ड एग्जाम में लाइन आ सकता है. You will write, the people who do not want to take any risk, they want to lead a comfortable and easy-going life without any risk. As they are afraid of taking any risk, they think if they take any risk, they might be failed. Next, the poet says that these kind of people, what kind of people? Who do not want to take any risk, these kind of people lose their freedom and become slave. What is slave? Slaves means the people who lose their freedom, and according to poet, according to last line, only those, it means only the people who are always ready to take risk, they are totally free. Who is truly free? A person who wants to take risk, a person who is always willing to take risk is truly free. I think you understood the summary of this poem, the message of this poem. What is the message of this poem? According to this poem, we may conclude that risk is integral part of life, and this poem, Risk, is a motivational poem. Through this poem, the poet Janet Rain wants to convey a message that risk cannot be avoided from the life of humans as it is integral part of life. Every activity which is done by humans is associated with some kind of risk, but we must take risk because not to take any risk is the greatest hazard. Now we discuss about some questions. What is the greatest hazard? What is the greatest hazard? Your answer will be the greatest hazard means not to take any risk is known as greatest hazard. Number 2, what is success? What is success? What is success? You have to write the definition of success. Before 2 years this question was in board exam. What is success? Success means having courage to take risk. रिस्क लेने का आपके अंदर हिम्मत होना, दैट इज नॉन एज सक्सेस. उसे सक्सेस नाम से बुलाया जाता है. यू विल राइट सक्सेस मीन्स having courage, having boldness to take risk, because by taking risk we can get success in life. Next, who becomes like slaves? People who lose their freedom, people who do not want to take any risk become like slaves because they lose their freedom. Okay, how can we enjoy our freedom? हम अपनी फ्रीडम को एंजॉय कैसे कर सकते हैं? द राइट आंसर विल बी फ्रीडम कैन बी एंजॉयड और वी कैन एंजॉय फ्रीडम बाय टेकिंग रिस्क. बाय टेकिंग रिस्क वी विल गो थ्रू, वी विल पास थ्रू अ नंबर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस. नेक्स्ट, some of the students asked me about this question also last time कि सर why there is use of opposite images in this poem. बच्चे समझ नहीं पाए स्टूडेंट्स की अपोजिट इमेज का मतलब क्या है. अपोजिट इमेज मीन्स आपने फर्स्ट लाइन से देखा होगा, इफ वी लाफ वी विल बी कॉल्ड फूल. लाफ फूल, वीप सेंटिमेंटल, रीच आउट फॉर अदर्स योर सेल्फ इन्वॉल्वमेंट, एक्सपोजिंग योर सेल्फ एक्सपोजिंग योर ट्रू सेल्फ, लव नॉट टू गेट लव इन रिटर्न, होप despair, try failure. When you are placing your ideas and dreams before a crowd, before you will be known as naive. Naive means naive और naive both pronunciation right, inexperienced. तो यहाँ पर अपोजिट इमेज का यूज क्यों किया है? लाइक laugh, fool, weep, sentimental. Your answer will be there is use of opposite image in this form to emphasize, इस बात पर जोर देने के लिए that every activity which is performed by humans is indulged, is a combination of risk. As risk is integral part of life that cannot be avoided from our life, that's why we should always be ready to take risk. Now we move to next question. Why should we take risk? We should take risk to get success, because without taking risk we cannot get success in life. What is the greatest hazard? सबसे बड़ा hazard क्या है? Your answer will be not to take any risk is the greatest hazard. कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना ही सबसे बड़ा hazard है. Hazard means risk. Jeopardy also it's similar. Next, when is a man filled with despair? Despair I told you hopelessness or we can say disappointment in Hindi, निराशा. एक इंसान निराश कब हो जाता है? Your answer will be a person is filled with despair when he doesn't get expected, when he doesn't get desired. जब इंसान किस चीज़ की इच्छा करता है और वो उसे नहीं मिल पाती है, then he gets despair. He is filled with despair. Your answer will be a person is filled with despair when he doesn't get desired things. Is it clear? Now we move to next question. What is the theme of this poem? Your answer will be the story of this poem. It means risk, composed by Janet Rain, revolves around integral part of life, and that is known as risk. According to poet, risk cannot be avoided from our life. That's why instead of running from risk, we should always be ready. We should always be prompt to take risk, knowing that without taking risk, we cannot get success in life. Okay, next most important question. What are the immediate advantage of not taking risk? समझिए इस क्वेश्चन को. जो लोग रिस्क नहीं लेते हैं उन्हें किस तरह का बेनिफिट्स, किस तरह के फायदे मिलते हैं जो रिस्क नहीं लेते हैं? योर आंसर विल बी द पीपल हु डू नॉट टेक रिस्क दे मे अवॉइड सफरिंग एंड सोरो. वो सफरिंग एंड सोरो को अवॉइड तो कर सकते हैं, बट डिसएडवांटेज क्या होगा, दे कैन नॉट लर्न, फील, चेंज, ग्रो एटसेट्रा. एंड व्हाट डू दे बिकम लाइक स्लेव्स एज दे लूज देयर फ्रीडम. व्हेन कैन वी एंजॉय फ्रीडम? वी कैन एंजॉय फ्रीडम बाय टेकिंग रिस्क. I think what is the greatest hazard? I told you the right answer. The greatest hazard in life is to take or is not to take any kind of risk. Okay. When can we get success? By taking risk we can get success. I think this form is complete, and tomorrow we will discuss about next form, and that is my mother head, not my good right hand. Till then, thank you.